Hey there, so remember the last video we were talking about Android 13, right, external storage error? Well, it seems like some of you had a bit of trouble with it. Why not start a fresh project and build it together from scratch? So grab a seat and let's dive in. Let's open up Unreal Engine and start a new project. So this is our new project. Let me just disconnect. Do every cleanup settings. Okay, the first thing that everybody should be doing, what I do, is to create a folder for apps. And instead of that, create a new map. Let's call that a main menu, maybe. Yeah, let's put that this and open up the level and save the level itself. Now let's go to the project settings and go to the maps and mode, and then here we select the main menu and main menu. This is always a good practice because we're supposed to have a default map here, and then go to the packaging. I don't really want to do this, but yeah, if you're just packaging your game after the development, I would definitely recommend to do this because people often forget to change their settings once you upload it to the Play Store. So this one, and this one, I would always take this before I just upload it to the Play Store because the signing issues, the Android, what you call key signing issues, are most common when you forget all these changes. Okay, and also, oh, there is nothing here. Then I'll go to the supported platform. I don't really want every one of them for the moment, so I'll just take Android itself. And yeah, we need to apply this and restart the editor, but just before that, let's go to the Android, configure the settings, and you're supposed to have your company name and product name here. Don't forget that. And here, this one, I packed this inside the APK. After the Google update, they are allowing apps under 200 MB to pack inside the APK. Previously, it was around 100 MB or 150 MB. If I'm not wrong, it was 100 MB, and now it's just increased to 200 MB. So we can just package an APK without an OBB file, separate OBB files with the 200 MB limit. And this one also, it was a little tricky because some portion, some game, almost the recent mobiles are not coming in this ratio. You can just bump it up to 4:2. That the most recent phones comes with a larger screen size, so it can just fill up the entire screen with this ratio. That's another settings, and we don't need AB for now. And then also configure this session, and don't forget to fill out this session as well. I'm not using the ads for now, so please select that one. Go to this. There is no option there. The minimum version should be 28 for me, and the target version should be 33. This is fine. This is all fine. And now let's go to just apply the settings. That's it. Oh, I don't have to restart it, so it's fine. So now the settings are fine, and let me just build a simple game, right? So yeah, let's need an interface. Let's take that as the main menu. Oh, I just forgot that. Let me just delete that one for now. Create another folder and name it UI. You can do this on right click and select a color. I always pick a nice vibrant color just to differentiate whatever you're working on, trying to concentrate. So yeah, widget blueprint underscore main menu. That is the right method to naming conventions, right? So let me just create it simple. Canvas, more canvas. And this is okay. Open the map, and this is the map, and then open the level blueprint, and then create a widget. And so this as the main menu. There you go. Oh, this one, and then add to viewport. That's it. And now when you play, it's got this button. So this is the only thing that I want to do. Okay, and now let's platform, Android, and I'm just looking on SDC. Okay, that's fine. Now I have the key store details filled up. Let's go and build. So place, location. Build is successful. Let's go to the folder and check the application. So here I have the APK files here. Let me just install this on my bubble and come back. Okay, now I have just come across the error where it just popped up need app requirement. The storage permission pop up, which actually getting me to open the settings menu where you can just find that there is no permission is required from the app, but still just open the settings and you cannot move forward. So for that, let me just go and see the project file, Android 64, and the manifest file. Just opening up with the Notepad is fine. Let me just close it. So this was the right external storage permission, which is actually making that issue, right? Read out what the tooltip says. Any extra permission your app needs, an optional file on project build Android manifest requirements.additions.txt will also be included, or an optional file on project build Android manifest requirements override.txt will replace the entire requirement section. Now let's go to a project folder and go to intermediate Android ARM64, and there you can see your Android manifest. Let's open up with any editor. I'm just going with the Notepad itself. Okay, here are the permissions which is required right now after the build, right? So let's open the feature, copy all the permissions, and now let's create another txt file. You can create a plain text file, and remember just to name it as manifest requirements override.txt, which is you have seen there. Okay, now paste the permissions that we copied and remove the right external storage. Instead, let's put this one, uses permission, Android name, Android permission dot write external storage, put the extra clause like max execution to 28, or maybe it's 32, I believe. So let's paste that and save the file. After you save it, let's take this, copy, let me just copy with the icon. Okay, copy the file and go to your project folder again, and on the build Android, here you're supposed to paste your key store files, right? So let's paste here itself. So after this, you can just build your game. Just need to rebuild it. Yeah, let's wait for the rebuild. Okay, now let me just find the APK and install on my device. Let's open it up. Now it's working. So that's it. And if you like this video, please like, and if you have something to say, toss in the comment as well, and let me know how many of you could solve this issue by the solution. And yeah, goodbye.